Good morning, everybody. Mr. O'Rourke checking in with you on Monday morning. We have a full cup of coffee. We've got a rainy day, so it's a good day to hopefully be productive inside. Um, and I just want to check in with everybody on Monday morning. This is week 3 of our captivity. Social distancing at its finest. Um, looked over some of the assignments that came in. The stuff that came in looked pretty good. A lot of you are procrastinating. That is not going to help you in the long run. It's just going to give you more to do. Right now, we're looking at probably being back in school sometime around the 1st of May, which means we got roughly another month of this. And I see the assignments your other teachers assign, and if you're some of you turning it in with the same frequency you're turning it in on mine, you're going to be way behind if and when we get back to school. It Avoidance is not a good strategy if that's what you're planning on. But on the bright side, this week there are 2 assignments, and one of them is this goes is part. I want part of it done this week, part of it done next week. So let's take a quick look. I still have to add some videos to these, but here's week 30, week of 3:30 to April 5th. There's 2 assignments. One is on Turkey. Modernization in Turkey. Both of these assignments are set in the Southwest Asia, the Middle East, post World War One, and we'll take you through that period. They're both Google Doc assignments. The one on Ataturk is short, at least I think it is. I don't think it'll take you more than a half an hour to 45 minutes if you sit down and do it without a lot of interruptions. And I will post a little video with some tips and some ideas and help you through some of the harder parts on that. The second assignment has a lot more detail to it. Okay, this one is on imperialism and nationalism in the Middle East after World War II, or World War One. I'm sorry. We'll get to after World War II after the April break. And so this one just has a lot of tells you basically what was going on in that territory, and you're going to see that the British and the French, the Allies after the war, made a lot of promises to a lot of different people and didn't keep any of them. This one, I'm going to break it kind of into, I'm going to have 4 little separate videos with it because in my mind there's 4 parts. There's the informational part, which I want you to get done this week. If you feel like working ahead and being done with it, great. I'm going to have a due date on it of April 17th, as you might be able to see up here. So you're going to have plenty of time to do this because I believe there's 3 documents in this, and I want you to read each one carefully. There's questions with each, and I will post a video for each of the documents walking you through the big points in those documents. So I'm hoping that everybody is having a good week. Or at least is going to get off to a good week. Don't let the rain get you down. It's supposed to be a little nicer out later in the week. So use today and be productive, and check in with me on office hours, which it is 9:56 by my phone or by my computer. They start in about 5 minutes. So that's it for now. We'll check in again tomorrow.